Hi everyone, my name is Sue Vizcarra, the Digital Declutter Diva, and today we're going to talk about unsubscribing from emails and cleaning out that inbox. Let's get started. We have three options here. We can delete everything that is a subscription. We can delete everything except for the most current emails that have come in. Number three, we can also only delete everything from one newsletter. In your search box, I want you to type in the word unsubscribe, and this will pull up everything that you've ever subscribed to, even if you've forgotten. Let's go ahead and clean it all out by choosing this box here, selecting all the emails on this page. Then let's also select all conversations that match this criteria known as unsubscribe. Over here is a trash can, hit delete. Voila, they are all gone. I may not be ready to let everything go. If that's the case and you want some time to review, delete everything except for what's come in the past week or the past month or the past year. I'm going to use the example of the past week. So right here where it says anytime, click on that down arrow and choose older than a week. And now it'll pull up all the emails that are unsubscribed older than a week. Follow the same process by selecting all of them, select all conversations that match this criteria, and go ahead and delete. All right, this time I actually want to unsubscribe from Walgreens. So I'm going to type in unsubscribe from Walgreens. The first thing I need to actually do is click on a most recent email from Walgreens and click unsubscribe. I get a message pop up that says, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. I want to unsubscribe. Then I want to go back here to everything from Walgreens, and now I can select it, select all conversations, and place it in the trash. Yes, confirm the bulk action. Thank you very much. They're all gone. Let's keep going. In this example, I'm going to actually unsubscribe from Safeway. So I'm going to type in unsubscribe from Safeway. I'm going to take the most recent email from Safeway. I'm going to choose unsubscribe. I'm going to respond unsubscribe again. Then I'm going to go back to all of the emails, select all of the emails on this page, then select all conversations that match this search across all my Gmail pages. Then I'm going to choose this trash can for delete. Confirm bulk action. OK. You can see that it takes a moment depending on how many emails that you have. There you go. All gone, cleaned up. Thank you very much.